Like, hi guys, this is yet another roleplay today. Sorry that I haven't been posting like that many videos. School and stuff is really like bothering me, and I'm literally still stressed out. So I just enjoyed this short video. After being late to school and now have been suspended for like 2 days, at least I'm going camping. So, what should I probably pack? I should probably bring my schoolwork because I'm literally so bored. Anyways, let me just put this here. Obviously, I need my keys. Get the small tiny suitcase, my keys. And since we're like staying for one day, just need some pajamas. And I also need one pair of an outfit. Since it's literally like snowing outside, I'll just get this outfit and put my phone in. I need to fill up my water bottle. And let me just put on like this because it's literally damn freezing outside. And let me just fill up my water bottle. Okay, I think I'm done packing now. Hi dear, are you almost done packing? Oh, yes indeed, I am almost done. Then make sure to meet us at the campsite. I will. Okay, so let me just turn this off. Close. Oh. So I'm done packing and now let's just go to the campsite. I'm really excited.